Hey physics, welcome to weeks 12 and 13. We're leading up to Thanksgiving break, and we have a test on Thursday. So Tuesday and Wednesday morning is going to be getting ready for that. You can sign up for study groups. You can pick the same groups you've worked in, or if you'd rather work alone, you can do that. We'll have like a small group study session in the afternoon. I am going to give you a document that has links to all of the Google Forms for this unit, or for this investigation anyway. So you can click on those and make sure you've got everything in. Definitely be checking PowerSchool to make sure that everything that you think you have in is in there, and email me if you have turned in something that I haven't graded yet. I am a little bit behind on grading, so don't stress too much. I'll have it all in soon. So on Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon, we're going to do a small group review where you're going to be just like talking with your group mates about the big ideas of each one of these atomic models. It's going to look a lot like the Investigation 4 review. The Investigation 4 summary table that we worked on. So there's lots of resources in there to check, okay? Then on Thursday or Friday, you're going to do some ungraded practice questions in the morning just to make sure that you're ready. If you have a lot of missing assignments, I would work on those instead of the practice questions. Make sure you get this stuff in that's graded first, right? And then during the sync time, you'll have a chance to give me some feedback about the unit, what you liked, what you didn't like. Make sure you have all your Google Forms in by Friday at midnight. And the Investigation 4 test will be during sync time on Thursday or Friday. The rule is going to be that you have your cameras on and your mics off. And then on Monday or Tuesday, right before Thanksgiving break, you're going to have some time to study or catch up on assignments. Just a little bit of, flex time there for you. And then during sync time, we'll do test correction. So I'll have your grades in for you, and you can work on stuff either in small groups or with me if you'd like to during that time. All right, we'll see you guys soon.